Welcome back to the Coding Problem series. Today, we are diving into a classic algorithm adaptation, performing an insertion sort on a linked list. This is a common interview question that tests your ability to manipulate pointers. First, let's briefly recall how insertion sort works. Imagine you are sorting playing cards in your hand. You pick up cards one by one and place them into their correct position among the cards you are already holding. The list is virtually split into a sorted part and an unsorted part. We repeatedly pick the next element from the unsorted side and insert it into the sorted side. So, why is this tricky for linked lists? With arrays, we can access any index instantly and swap elements easily. However, with singly linked lists, we don't have random access. We can only move forward. This means we cannot scan backwards to find the insertion point, and instead of swapping values, we have to physically rewire the pointers connecting the nodes. Here is our high-level strategy. We will maintain a separate, sorted region. Initially, this region is empty. We iterate through our original input list, which acts as the unsorted region. We take one node at a time, detach it, and traverse the sorted region from the beginning to find exactly where it fits. To make our code cleaner, we will use a dummy node. A dummy node is a placeholder that sits before the actual head of our sorted list. Why do we need it? Because sometimes the new node needs to be inserted at the very beginning, before the current head. Having a dummy node ensures that every node, including the first one, has a previous node, simplifying our logic significantly. Here is the step-by-step algorithm. Step 1, create the dummy node. Step 2, start a current pointer on the head of the input list. Step 3, for each node, reset a prev pointer to the dummy node and move it forward until you find the insertion spot. Step 4, insert the node by adjusting pointers, then move to the next item. Let's visualize the critical pointer logic. Suppose we have a sorted list 2, 5, 8, and we want to insert 6. We start from the dummy and move our prev pointer. We stop when the next node's value is greater than the value we are inserting. Here, 5 is less than 6, but 8 is greater than 6. So, we stop at 5. We then insert 6 right between 5 and 8. Here is the pseudocode logic. We create our dummy node. We loop while current is not null. Inside the loop, we first save nextTemp because we are about to modify the links. We reset prev to the dummy. We scan forward while prevNext is smaller than our current value. Once found, we wire current between prev and prevNext. Finally, we advance to the next node. Let's analyze the performance. The time complexity is O of n squared. In the worst case, if the list is reverse sorted, for every node we insert, we might traverse the entire sorted list built so far. The space complexity is O of 1. This is an in-place algorithm because we are only rearranging pointers and not allocating new list nodes. To summarize, insertion sort for linked lists is great for small datasets and is an in-place, stable sort. The key to implementing it correctly is using a dummy node to handle head insertions easily, and remembering to save your next pointer before rewiring the current node.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.